Hello, welcome. In the last video, we have seen how to integrate a Blazor application with the MySQL, and we have done a collaborations on products page and products model, and we have done all the operations that is create, edit, and delete and update. So in this video, we are going to move that entire code into services folder, which for which we are going to use the dependency injection. So let's get started. So let's switch to Visual Studio. In this we have created pages folder. In these pages we have created the products folder. Inside product folder we have created create, edit and index razors for the CRUD operations. First we go into index page. So in this index page we have written the entity framework. We have injected the entity framework application DB context directly into the razor page, and we are calling that application DB context product dot to list. So we are going to change this entire approach into services folder. So for that I am going to create the folder here. So in this for this folder I am going to name it as services. In the services folder I am going to create a class that is product service. For this class I am going to create one interface. Naming it as a iProduct service. Inside this we are going to need the list of products. We need to list the products. That function name will be get products, and then we are going to need single product, that is get product by ID, and we are going to update the product. For that I create the product. For that I am going to take a bool and create product. That function will takes the product model. And one more thing is like we are going to edit this, update this model, update this product. So update product. Also we need to delete the product. For the delete product we are going to give same as we are going to give the product model, and then we are going to delete this. So this is the product service. We are going to implement all these methods inside the product service. So I'm implementing this iProduct service. So implement interface, and then we are going to write we are going to inject the product application DB context into the product service. For that I am going to create the constructor. So the constructor has been created, and also I'm calling this context here. So we are going to use this context inside all these functions, all these 5 functions. First of all, we need to create the products. For that I'm going to use context dot product dot add model. and then context.save changes. And that is done, and we are going to delete the product. For that, context.remove model. We are going to get single product here, so for that I'm going to write first our default, and we need to return all the products. And then we are going to update the product here. Context dot update, and then we are going to pass the model context dot save changes. So now we are going to return it as true once that is done. So we have created the product service, and then we have implemented the product service here. So we need to tell that application that we have created this and we are going to use it in the Razor pages. For that, we are going to register this service inside the program.cs file. For that, I am going to add one more line here, builder.services.add, add scoped. So in this, we are going to call iProduct service that is implementing the product service. Now the application knows that iProduct service has been implemented with the product service, and we are going to use this in the as a dependency injection in the other pages. So once we go here and going to index.razor, we are going to remove this application db.context. Instead of this application db.context, we are going to call iProduct service. So in here we don't need to use this context anymore. So product service dot get products, and also we are going to remove these things, and we are going to delete the product. So product service dot delete product. Inside the function we are going to pass this product, and then the same thing we need to replace here also. To get the products, after deleting the products, we need to get the products from the database. So now the index page has been fixed, and we are going to change that same thing in the edit page as well. We are going to remove this one, so we are going to get the single product here, get product by id, and then we are going to pass just the id, and then we are going to change this code to our desired code, that is product service dot update product, and then we are going to pass this product model. Now the edit page is also completed, and we are going to change that same thing in the create product. Product service dot create product. Inside that we are going to pass the product object. So this is also completed, and we are going to save all this, and we can run the build once. Now you don't have any errors. So once we run the application, it has to be it has to be the same as the old one. So I'm going to create a product, test product service, and then I'm going to give 789. So now we can see like the product has been created as expected, and I'm going to edit this one. I'm going to edit the price, also the product name. It has been updated as expected, and we are going to perform the delete operation, and everything works fine. So just for the recap, I'm just explaining again. So we have done MySQL integration in the last previous video, but in this video we have removed all these code sections into the service model because we can't write everything inside the Razor pages. That will be like huge amount of code we need to write inside the Razor pages. That will be like whenever we want to change something, we can't we have to go to particularly on the each page and we have to change. But whenever we create the services, we can able to go to that single service, and we can able to all the functions will be there inside the service, and we can able to change anything in the create product, anything inside the functions, and that will be works fine. So that's all for video. If you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe. In the future also I'm going to create these kind of videos and posting it on my YouTube channel. Thank you.